Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making some simple French toast. We'll start with our eggs, a quarter cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll whisk this mixture until it's well combined, like so. And you're ready to make your French toast. After greasing our pan, we're going to cook the French toast on medium heat to avoid it from burning. The 4 eggs gives me about 8 to 10 pieces of bread, so it's quite easy and a quick recipe to do for your breakfast. And this is how it turned out. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.